Some people said, maybe you don't have problem or misunderstanding. Okay? Sometimes I hear some brothers say, maybe you don't have misunderstanding with your wife. Hindi lang nila alam. Hindi lang nila alam. Some people said, maybe you don't have problem or misunderstanding with your wife. Di ba, mama? Kasi mama ko si Mrs. Karamihan. Okay. They just don't know that I hide myself. We have argument and misunderstanding too, but we never show it in the public. Okay. So it's like, okay. Okay. This walk as blessed family should walk. When Jesus said, "I am the way, the truth, and the life," of course, Father added it. Father said, "He is the way, the truth, and the life, and lineage." Okay? Jesus cannot say He is the way, the truth, and the life, and lineage because God did not marry, did not produce children. So, but Father, He can say, "I am the way, the truth, and the life, and lineage." What does it mean? What way Jesus wants us to follow? Or Father also wants us to follow. What truth Jesus wants us to understand? And what kind of love that we should pursue? When we follow Father as the Lord's second advent, when we say that the Messiah is the way, the truth, and the life, and lineage, the way true Father wants us to follow, or what the way true parents want to follow, what kind of truth true parents want us to understand, what kind of life true parents want us to pursue. Of course, if there is no other way than the ways of the Messiah, can we decide our own ways? If we are religious people, we should follow a religious life. If you are a Buddhist, you should follow a Buddhist life. If you are a Muslim, you should follow or you should pursue a Muslim way of life. But we are unificationists. Therefore, we should follow the unificationist way of life. So, that's very short. That's all the message this Sunday. Very short. Okay? I hope you gain something from that. Okay. I'd just like to add some reflections on our present situation. You heard some news in Facebook, in the internet about we cannot hide. There's like problems in our church. There's a problem. I shouldn't say it's one group or it's two group. No. We call it a quack group. My own reflection is that everybody do good things, in both sides. Okay? We do good works also. But our era this time is an era of not faith. In the Bible, in the book of Romans, it says there that we can be justified by our faith. Right? Just believe in Jesus, yeah, you can be justified. But in the completed Testament, faith is not enough. Even the Bible says, faith without work is dead. Meaning, faith should be substantialized. Always we listen to the principle, learn, believe, and practice. Practicing is attending the Messiah, attending the true parents, attending God, true parents, and the providence. It's not a question about who is right and wrong. It's a question about attendance. Because this is where we can be justified. Everybody believes true parents. Even the new members, they believe. But how we can improve our relationship with God and only by just believing them. Have faith in them. Okay? Last time I gave a message about the three components of faith. That is trust, belief, and obedience. Okay? Everybody trusts God, of course. I trust you, Lord. Okay? I trust God. Everybody believes, actually, God and true parents. But always the question is the obedience. Our attendance to the Messiah. When the Messiah said like this, are we willing to obey even at the rest of our lives? At the expense of whatever yung mga principles natin sa buhay? Are we willing to attend like that? So, their day is fast approaching. Let's help our true parents to proclaim that by not creating more like barriers among us. Let's just follow what true Father has said. He knows what's going on. He is the one who knows what's going on. Okay? Siya nakakalam. Okay? He is the one who is leading the providence. As a Messiah, He knows. We don't know. Might be intentionally He made that situation for the sake of restoration, like that, final battle. We don't know. Let's just follow what the prophets have said. Let's just obey what He said. Okay? Then we can unite as brothers and sisters. The more we can follow, the more we can obey what Father has said in this very crucial moment, okay? Then the more yung mas easy yung proclamation ni Father. So it's just unite what the parents have said. Okay? So brothers and sisters, I think you read some messages. We are not we are all family. Okay? What I'm encouraging you is that let's just unite what Father has said. Okay? If you believe Father is the Messiah, let's just unite. Let's attend God and programs. And this way, okay, we can celebrate every day. Okay? So, thank you, brothers and sisters. That's all for this Sunday sermon, Sunday message.